support and resistance for me didn't work until I discovered this secret. Hey guys, welcome to Little Panda Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little technique that is going to make you very profitable. And it is support and resistance, but with a little secret. Support and resistance is when you're buying low and you're expecting some sort of reversal, or you're selling high at resistance, you're expecting some sort of sell. But what happens is that a lot of the time, people that trade support and resistance, they become the liquidity. If you don't become the liquidity, then you can catch the move using support and resistance. And this video is going to explain to you step by step what this little secret is that I discovered recently, and support and resistance works beautifully and it's going to make you a profitable trader. Leave a like, subscribe. Let's get into the video. The most important part is that you have to have no emotions. And you've probably heard this, everyone's telling you no emotion, blah blah blah. The way we're going to do this is we're going to have a set of rules, okay, 5 steps that we are going to follow every single day before we take a trade. And by doing so, you're going to become a robot trader instead of a human trader, and there's going to be no aspects of emotions. I mean, if there's no emotions, you are going to take high probable trades. These are the rules that I've come up with, and this is something you should go out there 100%, test it out, and then let me know in the comment section how you did, what was the win rate, what sort of RR you got, and if you're happy or not, you know. Point number 1 is that there needs to be some sort of break of structure on the daily time frame. The higher the time frame, the more stronger the signal is. This is very basic knowledge, and you should know this if you want to become a good trader. Point number 2, we need to mark key support zone on the 1 hour once we have a break of structure from point number 1, which is the daily time frame. So we are going to mark key support zone. It can't be any support, it has to be like a major support zone, okay? Point number 3 is the most important part. This is where it differentiates you from a regular support and resistance trader. We are going to wait for price to take out the daily low. What is the daily low? The daily low is a liquidity area. This is why sometimes you draw your support and resistance, you see price come playing around, it gives some sort of engulfing candle, you buy, takes you out, and it goes your way because you became the liquidity. So by marking the daily low, we are waiting for liquidity to be taken, and then point number 4, we are going to wait for some sort of bullish candle on this 1 hour time frame after the daily low has been taken. And in this video specifically, we are going to focus on buys only. I can't do sales because the video would be too long and I would just lose my mind, but I might do it in another video if you let me know in the comment section. Good. Yeah, and the last point is we are going to target the most recent high as our take profit. That's the 5 rules that you need to follow. So now you know the rules. Let's go onto the chart and apply this and see what sort of trades we get. So this is GBPUSD daily time frame. Where is the break of structure? Okay, so we know that this area was broken to the downside. This became the lower low. Okay, so somewhere here price supposed to go to print the lower high to go down, but as you can see, price broke to the upside instead. So the first rule is met, break of structure on daily. Okay, all right, now we are going to mark areas of liquidity. So we're going to mark the recent wicks of the daily time frame. So we have one here. Okay, this one's too far down, you're not going to do it. Point number 1 has been covered. Point number 2 is you need to mark key zone on 1 hour. Okay, let's go on to the 1 hour time frame and mark key area. So this is our daily low. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can't have support like here, support, no, this is too weak. So what we're going to do, we're going to have support somewhere near the daily low, which in this case would be something like this. Very good support. Okay, we had price reacting here many times. So look here, and then we broke above. So here, if we're going to daily time frame, it's the daily low. Okay, let's say you play the price action, price creates another low here. So now what you can do, you mark this as the daily low as well, right? But we are not interested in here because this is too high up. We are interested in here, okay? So you can remove this. Now, step number 3 is you need to wait for price to take the daily low out, okay? So let's play price action. All of this, we don't care. There. The daily low has been taken and we at the support zone, okay? People that are just waiting, like, you know, somewhere here, like they were saying, oh, this is support, you know, because look, we broke above it, they're taken. People that are waiting for support here, you know, somewhere here, like that, you know, they've been taken as well. You see how it came, played around in here, and then it moved up and then it moved down. We are interested because price took the daily low. Liquidity, very important stuff. Point number 4, we are going to enter after first bullish candle. So right now we haven't seen it. Nope, nothing. Okay, so now we have a bullish candle. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna enter at this bullish candle once it closes, okay? Your stop loss is gonna be under the recent low here. We don't expect price to go any lower because it's just taken the daily low liquidity and it's at a major support zone. Now, where would you target? Well, the recent high is here, right? So we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. Target the most recent high. That's point number 5. We marked here. So this trade is going to give you a 3.2 RR, okay? Let's say you risked $500, okay? If this trade hits the target, which we're gonna play now, so it went up, came back in a little bit of a drawdown, all of this, it went deeper in, and then you see how it bounced because this is a key level. Price should not go lower than this, okay? You just play it, play it, play it. Just wait for price to do its thing. Have patience, don't have FOMO. Just be patient, and like that, you made 3.2 RR. So you risked $500, it hit the 3.2 R, you made $1,600 profit, $1,600, just by following this very simple approach. Now, let's do another example. So, step number 1, do we have a break of structure? Yeah, we do. We just broke structure here, okay? Or if you want the main structure, even here, break structure. Now, we're going to mark the daily lows, okay? Right now, here's a good one, okay? Now you pray what price does. Okay, we create another daily low here. You put that there. Support and resistance. We're just interested in support at the moment. It's somewhere here. Somewhere here would be good. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, this seems good. You can move a bit down if you want, you know. And now let's see. You can go back on the daily time frame. Price broke structure again. This is good. So now we have another area of liquidity. So we have 3 areas. All 3 of them are within the support area. So let's see. You play price. Okay. So the daily low has been taken. We are in the support area. What did price do? It closed under the daily low and it closed back above. So it's likely it's not going to go down. So you can just enter a buy here. Stop loss just underneath it, and where we're going to target the most recent high, so somewhere like this, you know, and you play it. Oh, price went very close, taking you out, and then have patience. We just broke above this key area, so price is likely to hit our target very soon, just like that. You made 4.18, okay? And if you risk $500 again, that would give you $2,090 just in this trade. And it's all because we are following this. We were waiting for break of structure on the daily. We were marking key supports on a 1 hour. Then we want price to take the daily low. The daily low, when it comes to daily low, you have to mark a few candles. You don't know which one price is going to react. As long as they're all within that key support area, all of them are acceptable. We entered after the first bullish candle. Price closed under, then it closed back in the area, then we entered and we targeted the most recent high, which was around here. So this price took down, took the daily low liquidity, tapped the support zone, went back up, and yeah, just like that, you made $2,090. And this is how you trade support and resistance. Support and resistance for me didn't work until I discovered this secret. So this secret, practice it. Practice, practice, practice. That's how you become a good trader. Leave a like, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down any other videos you want, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.